Hello. Okay, I'm ready to play against you, and I am going to win. Probably, might just happen. All right, let's see what happens here. Start at 1,000. I'm rolling it, and I got, I'm going to make the biggest number so I can get to 0 faster than you. I'm going to make 433. So I'm going to go ahead and do this problem on a bigger sheet of paper so you can see. But I'll write in 433, that's what I got. And let's see, one option, 1,000 minus 433. I could use a number line and take off 433. Like I could remove 433 from 1,000. So let's see, I'm at 1,000 and I need to remove 400. So let's say I do that first. I'd have to jump back 400. Whoa, that's a lot. And I would need to know what that is. Luckily I do. I can count backwards by hundreds 4 times from 1,000. 900, 800, 700, 600. So here I'm at 600. And then I still need to go back 30. So I'm going to go back 30 from there. So that means I need to go back 3 tens from 600. So I'm going to count backwards by tens from 600. Whoa, can you do that? 600, 590, 580, 570, 560, 550. Oh wait, I didn't need to go that much. I only need to go 30. 600. 590, 580, 570. So I'm at 570. And then I have this little bitty 3. I'm going to do a little hop of 3. So I count back 3 from 570, 570, 569, 68, 67, 567. Cha-ching! Well, that's one method. Let's say I'm like, man, that took you a long time, Miss Everly. Okay, well, let's try a different method. What if I use the differencing method? Find the difference between the two on the number line. So I could put 433 on there. I could put 1,000 on there. And then I could find this distance. I could just add a certain amount to get to 1,000. See how far that is. So let's see, 433, that's almost to 440. That is 7 away. If I counted up 7 more, I'd be at 440. Now I'm going to make it to the next benchmark of 500. So there would be how many to get to 500? That would be 60. And then 500 to 1,000, that would be another 500. So now how far have I gone? 567. Oh my gosh, that's what I got there. That's when you're going to get super excited. Even have your teeth out a little bit to be like, oh my gosh, I got the same answer. So which way are you liking better there? I could also get the answer by going 1,000 minus 433. I could use the algorithm. Set it up. And then I'm like, oh, that'll give me a negative. Oh my gosh. I have to do a lot of regrouping. So I'm thinking, why not change it into a problem to make it easier and not have any regrouping whatsoever? So what I mean is use this amazing method called the constant difference. So on that number line where I just found the difference between 433 and 1,000, well, if I just take this distance that I'm trying to find and just shift it over just a little bit, watch this, I'm going to shift it over just one spot. If I go, that's not +1, that's -1. If I go one spot this way, I'm at 999. And you'll see why this will help. And if I scooch this one spot, guess what? I have to scooch this one spot this way. And so now it's 432. So now when I look at this, 1,000 minus 433, I went ahead and I minused 1 there. I minused 1 here. And I'll get the same answer because the distance just shifted a little bit down on the number line. Now when I use the algorithm, look at that. 9 minus 2. Is there any regrouping? No. 9 minus 3. 6. 9 minus 4. 5. Holy moly, got the same answer as the other two. It all comes together here, and this took no regrouping. But if you're like, but I love regrouping, okay? What are you talking about? I love doing it. Okay, then do it. Let's see if we actually get what we've gotten 3 times. 567, 567, 567. Here we go. No. Okay, I need to take from the 0. Don't have any. Need to borrow from the 0. Oh, I don't have any. Need to take from the 1. Okay, I'm going to regroup it. Bringing it over here. So now instead of 0, we're going to have 10. I like to put my 1 like that. 10. Now I need to take from there to bring it to here. So that's really 9. Bring a 1 there. Take it. Comes a 9. Bring the 1 there. Should I take that? No. I now can do this. 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. And 9 minus 4, 5. All those different methods. Which way would be your top choice? In my first round, I'd say my top choice was probably where I used the constant difference. So I'm going to go ahead and show that I did 999 minus 432, and I got 567. Beat that, guys. Okay. Go ahead and pause the video because you need to take your turn. Okay. Here is my second turn. Here I go. Oh my gosh. I'm starting at 567. Okay, here we go. Whew. Oh no. Oh no, this isn't good. My biggest number would be 655. But if I subtract 655 from 567, I don't even have that much. I'd go into the negatives. So, can't do that. I mean, you could if you were playing a partner. You could go into the negatives if you wanted to, but we're not going to do that. So, I'm going to switch this around and put it here. Oh, man. This is looking really good for me. Yeah. 565. Because look at that. 567. This is super close. Holy cow. I'm going to subtract out 565. And this is round 2. This is only round 2, everyone. All right. So now, how am I going to do that one? Well, I am looking and, whoops. The algorithm requires no regrouping. So that's kind of nice. Or the differencing method is nice too here because these two are super close to each other on the number line. And how far are they? They're only 2 away from each other, guys. So I'm at 2. And now we go to our third round. What do you think? I have 2 and I'm going to subtract. Oh gosh. You know why I'm scared? Can you tell? Why? Is there any chance of me subtracting a 3-digit number and getting a positive answer? Oh man, no matter what I do, I'm going to run into a negative number. So I'm going to have to stop there and say that wasn't an option for me. So up to your teacher at this point. If you let me have 2, or you say, sorry, Miss Everly, you ran into the negatives. Because I would have 2 minus, if I made the smallest number out of these, 156. Oh, man. You can think about that. You're at the number line, you're at 2, and you need to go back 156. Oh, I'm going to be at negative 154. Whoa. Okay, you didn't need to know that. But up to your teacher, whether I get to take 2 or if you run into the negatives, you lose.
So you decide. Hopefully I win. Okay, bye.